Yo, welcome back everybody to this video. So many viewers or many subscribers are requesting this video because DLSS Enabler isn't working on Forza Horizon 6 and the game doesn't support any kind of frame generation for older GPUs or GPUs that doesn't support DLSS frame generation. As you know, in Nordic Stick we are able to use multi-frame generation on any GPU, or if you want to use X2 frame generation, you can do this also in this video. So as always, go to our website, download the app if you have the app already, just update to the latest version because it supports Forza Horizon 6. After downloading the app, just open here. It's easy. As you can see, if you don't see Forza Horizon 6 here, just add it manually, go to the folder location and it's done. What you have to do, click install. Okay, it's installed. Use beta version, you have to use this. Toggle key, you can change this to wherever you want to open the DLSS enabler menu in the game. Monitoring, enable this if you want to see your stats. Ghost booster, of course you have to enable this to reduce ghosting, and because that we are using the beta version, it has better ghosting reduction. Okay, other option, first fix, you have to enable this. This is necessary to make the mod works with Forza Horizon 6. We don't have save button here because the app now saves everything automatically. Now let's try the game. Okay, very good. I'm using my controller to play the game, and when you launch the game, you have to go to settings, then video, then go down. We have frame generation. Set this to wherever, X2, X3, it doesn't matter because you can override this in the DLSS enabler menu. Set your DLSS upscaler or FSR wherever you want, and we have here the game. Let's open the DLSS enabler menu, check your setting, ghost booster is enabled, everything is working fine. You can override the MFG. We are here using X4, you can use X3. I prefer X3 because it's more stable, and I am using aggressive upscaling here just for the video because the recording is eating some frames. Optiscaler is also included with the mod. You can override your upscaler, FSR, XESS, FSR4, int 8, wherever you want. For me, we'll go, for example, with presets M, DLSS4, because I think it's better in Forza, especially in Forza. Okay, now let's do test a drive. Let's say test a drive to see the ghosting. This update is amazing. Ghost Booster 3 is amazing. As you can see, I'm driving here 200 kilometers and there is almost no ghosting. We are using FSR for multi-frame generation. Imagine this. Okay, as you can see, that's incredible. Let's try more aggressive frame generation. Let's go with X5. Of course, you will not use X5 because it's a lot, but as you can see, I'm using the max settings with RTGI, ray tracing, everything is maxed out with my RTX 3060, and as you can see, it's working fine. As I said, try to don't go more than X4 mode. Thank you for watching. I hope you subscribe, like the video if it worked, dislike the video if you don't like the video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.